Hey everyone, how are you? Well, I have to thank my friend Liz from Traditions by the Seasons, because she's the first one that I saw any of the Mackenzie Child, and yes, I fell into it. Now I like Mackenzie Child. Now, we know she's not Dollar Tree, nor is she Target. No, Mackenzie Childs is, she can be pretty expensive. So, what I'm going to do at the beginning of the year is I am going to make some Mackenzie Child inspired things. I think if you really like something, and if you can either find a sale or something that's not real expensive, that you can incorporate a couple of the real thing, but then you can also put in whatever you make, and it's going to work perfectly together. So I thought I would bring you along on my very first Mackenzie Child purchase. And this was through Shop HQ. I've never been on that site before. I was just going past the channels, you know, and I saw it and I went, oh, Mackenzie Child, and I went back. So I did it. I bought the cookie, well, they call it it's an Apothocary jar, but they had cookies and other things in it. But look how good they wrapped. Whoa. And I wanted the traditional, okay? Because since I started looking at this, I realized that they have a lot of other patterns besides the courtly check. But with my house and the way it's set up, the courtly check will look best, and I can incorporate different things of that nature into the back end of my house, and it'll look good. So I stuck with the original courtly check. So it's just a glass Apothocary jar, and like I said, they had cookies in it, they had candies in it, all kinds of stuff, but I'll have it in my kitchen. And then here is the lid, okay, which again is in that courtly check, and it is so pretty. I'm trying to figure out the colors they've used. It looks like they've used a yellow and like a slate blue in this. Anyway, and this box I'll keep for some of my sweet treats when I put them away from Christmas. I'll bubble wrap and wrap each one and put them in this box. People were asking me how I store them, and that's how I do it. I just use these cardboard boxes. But like I said, I will get just a few things, maybe 2 or 3 things in the course of, you know, this year. Well, actually, there's a couple things. If you go on to their website, they have a few things, you know, that you can put into your decorating and decorate around it with some more that you make. And it'll look just as, I mean, it will look good. It will. But that is what I got, and I wanted to show you because this year coming up, I will be doing DIYs regarding Mackenzie Child inspired pieces. To share that with you, and I want to thank you again, Liz. I love her so much. Every time I see her do something, I go, oh no, do I really want to go? Do I want to look? Okay, all right. Oh, yep, I'm hooked. Okay. So, thanks, Liz. Love you. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world no one else can. Talk to you soon. Bye.